Knitted fabrics versus woven fabrics. In previous lectures, we have individually discussed the construction of knitted fabrics, characteristics, specialities, and advantages, disadvantages, and further applications of these fibers in different fields. Now we will discuss the comparison, one-to-one comparison of these fibers. Here is the loop formation or the yarn shape that is made in the knitted fabrics. Here are number of rows of loops are produced to form the knitted fabric. While in case of weaving or woven fabrics, overlapping of warp and weft yarns are done to produce the woven fabrics. There are different types of weaves, satin weaves, jacquard weaves, plain weave, basket weave. So these are the shapes of woven and knitted fabrics. Construction in the woven fabrics are created by interlacing two sets of yarn, warp and weft at the right angle to each other. While in case of knitted fabrics are created by interlooping yarns with needles creating rows of interconnected loops as we have seen in previous slides. Interconnected loops in the knitted fabrics are produced. Further characteristics of both fabrics. Woven fabrics are stable and rigid, while the knitted fabrics are flexible and stretchy structure. Second, in case of woven fabrics, less stretchy than knitted fabrics, while knitted fabric can be made with a variety of yarns and fibers, and their structure and their shape is stretchy. They are stretchable. Woven fabrics can be made with a wide range of fibers and yarn, same as the knitted fabrics produced with a variety of yarns. So, woven fabric have often a smooth, flat surface, while the knitted fabric have soft, textured surface, can be prone to pilling or snaging. Pilling is an issue in the knitted fabrics as well as weaving, but comparatively in knitted fabric, it is more critical issue. What are the specialities of these fabrics? In case of woven fabrics, they are strong and durable and hold shape well. Further suitable for printing and heavy finishes. The last specialty is more resistance to wear and tear because they are strong and durable, so they are resistant to wear and tear. Knitted fabrics, high stretch and flexibility, wrinkle resistant, comfortable and lightweight, better moisture absorption. So these fabrics are stretchy, are flexible, comfortable, lightweight, but they have less strength as compared to woven fabric, where woven fabric are strong and durable, but knitted fabric are not so strong or durable as compared to woven fabric. This was the difference of specialities of both fabrics. Further, these are applications or specialities or applications of woven and knitted fabrics. Woven fabrics are used in apparel, jeans, shirts, trousers, and formal wear, while knitted fabrics are also used in apparel like t-shirts, underwear, leggings, socks, sportswear, activewear due to stretch and comfortable, as knitted fabrics are stretchy, comfortable. Further, woven fabrics are used in home textile like curtains, upholstery, tablecloth, bed linen. So, on the other hand, knitted fabrics are also used in home textile, lightweight blanket, fitted sheets. So, the next application is in industrial use. Woven fabrics are used in industrial sector like conveyor belts, airbags, tents. While knitted fabrics are used in medical textile, compression garments, and bandages. Bandages are commonly used in medical textile, and the woven fabrics are used in fashion and accessories like bags, jackets, hats, while knitted fabrics are used in technical textiles, shoe uppers, car seat covers, and some tapes. So the common thing is that woven and knitted fabrics have common application in apparel and textile, but apparel and home textile, but they have different properties in industrial sector, fashion, medical, and technical textiles. What are the advantages of these fabrics? As woven fabrics has advantage of durability and resistance to wear and tear, and can be made with high thread counts for luxury fabrics. And woven fabrics are suitable for structured garments like suits and dresses, while knitted fabrics are comfortable and flexible, making them ideal for activewear and casual clothing. So further advantages of knitted fabric is can be made with a range of thickness and weight. The last advantage of knitted fabric is suitable for garments that requires stretch like t-shirts and socks. So knitted fabrics are also used in undergarments like socks and other underwears and different applications. Now, the both fabrics has also some disadvantages. When we talk about the disadvantages, woven fabric can be stiff and less comfortable than knitted fabrics, while knitted fabrics may not be as durable as woven fabrics. Further, the woven fabrics may require more yarn and resources to produce, while knitted fabrics can be prone to runs or holes in if made with a high quality if not made with a high quality yarn or made with a poor quality yarn. The holes is a common issue sometimes in knitted fabrics. So these are the disadvantages of knitted fabric. I hope by this lecture your concept about the difference of knitted fabrics and woven fabric with respect to construction, with respect to characteristics, with respect to specialities and use applications and advantages, disadvantages would be very clear.